Okay, good morning. It is Friday, November 8th, 2024. Okay, market just opened. Don't have much to talk about. Um, continue to we continue to go higher. Some levels to watch, maybe this high, maybe the PLC. Possible place for entry. Very difficult. Maybe there. Maybe there. At this point, I don't know, back to VWAP, I guess. Back to VWAP or aggressively enter above what is this high, so it's kind of dangerous. I don't know, just close your eyes and enter. I'm joking, but we're building up something here, but I don't know. I just don't want to do anything like that. Even if I miss, because I'm not in the aggressive mode. I'm in the anger managing mode, so I just don't want to do anything that will make me angry if it doesn't work. I think right now for me it's better to miss than try to gamble and getting. I mean, you need to gamble sometimes. You know, like yesterday, it was completely worth gambling to enter. And maybe it is that kind of market, but just not in the. Russell's dropping, so. Oh, great. This has to reset every time. So yeah, this, it looks good like that. Looks good like that, right? But looks good like that. But I mean, why not? We can give it a try, but I just don't feel like it. I think I don't know. I almost did, but I've been having issues pressing buttons, kind of. And it's this high, so it might come back. Hopefully come back to, the VWAP. And maybe easy entry or something. Hopefully this fail and then come back. Hold back. I mean, if you did enter, where would you get out? I would have gotten out. Probably not yet. If I did get in there, I'm probably still in, but anything lower than that, maybe I'll get out. Yeah, maybe this will be the stop. Oh, Russell's coming back. Hopefully this is not the only pullback of we can get in. Yeah, Russell is back up. Yeah, I guess we did pull back, so right there, we did pull back, so yeah. Pull back, higher, low. Yeah, this could be it, right? That's like a bigger pullback in the past 48 hours, so but I don't know how to say. No point really talking about it. Nobody knows what's gonna happen really. There's no technical analysis here, it's just luck. Look at this, positive delta yesterday. Even higher than the day before. So consumer sentiment at midnight for me, so in 20 minutes I guess. Yeah, so hopefully that'll be a good entry at the consumer sentiment. Yeah, maybe pull back to this, consumer sentiment. I don't know if it's good or bad, but then some volatility, and then after that, getting above view up could be good. But I'm sure it's not gonna work out nicely like that. that's it. So, that was another test. So, good try here. I don't know. I guess. I guess I should be watching this. I have it on my other screen, but I'm not even watching. So, yeah, I guess, could have tried right there. Maybe, or there. I didn't really think about it. Stop there, I guess, but I don't know. Some pullback would be much better. Russell is coming down a bit. NQ look like yes, slightly more positive, I guess. Not a very good looking, price action to feel good about long side. But I think yesterday was like that too, and it just went. So yesterday was like that, right? Huh? What happened? Yeah, yesterday was like that. Kind of looked like that yesterday. That was it, and then goodbye. So, but there was this that I wasn't watching yesterday. Yeah, I wish I was watching this. Anyways. Okay, so this is good. Volume low. Volume kind of died down quickly. For now. Okay, so is VWAP a good try? Is VWAP a good try? Maybe this. Maybe just below VWAP. Maybe this high is better. This high is also this low, so which is also the POC. So yeah, the overnight POC, OPC, I would try OPC. If it gets there. Russell is crazy up and down. NQ kind of pulled back. NQ kind of pulled back, so I don't know. Hopefully it'll pull back. But NQ, Russell's going crazy now, so ES might not drop. Not that Russell is affecting ES, but it's just, you know, like they're both stocks, so well, NQ is also tech stocks, but NQ is, you know, yeah, just tech and pharmaceutical and stuff, right? Okay. I think I just have to let it go again. I was gonna get in there, but I don't know, I can't do it. I just can't do it these days. Mentally not ready to trade, I guess. At least, you know, not this kind of stuff. Yeah, so maybe that was better like that. It's just not, I just wasn't even thinking about going long, so unless, yeah, it comes back lower, so. But you know, with this going like that, and then NQ was coming back, it was totally okay to, you know, try it. But I just don't wanna, because of my, you know, psychological reasons lately. Just don't wanna have any loss. I just want like a winning trade only. So. Not gonna even pull back, huh? Wow. I guess that's what election does. So yeah, there's some decent divergence here. I just noticed. This could be a low risk entry to just risk, few ticks out, I guess. I'm not gonna do it, though. I don't really wanna do anything like that. Just, gambling to catch the, upside desperately, but that was way better place. I thought about it, but I was hoping it'll come lower, so okay, so that failed. That failed. Anyway, I mean, this is better, of course. V up is better, but that was okay level, these highs. Still, maybe this might be the turning point, getting some volume. These highs. But I think I'd rather miss. Oh yeah, I guess the volume is low because there's a news, I guess. How can I not clue into that? I guess that's where I'm at these days. So yeah, thinking about going away for a while. I was feeling better yesterday, but I ended up trading evals yesterday at the news, and then I got angry, and then I did some bunch of stupid things. So I'm really kind of not in control of my emotions. So it's gonna break out before the news. Don't really want to get in, just before the news. So, but it might not even affect that much, because yesterday's interest rate didn't even do that much. Considering, I mean, they didn't change much either, but the news was like no change, right? I think they said no change on interest rate. Maybe that's why, I guess, but still should be more, should have gotten more volatile. But after all this election move, I think maybe the other news becomes less important or something. So yeah, I guess maybe my mistake was trying to wait for a bigger pullback. As I talked about it yesterday, you know, sometimes after this kind of move, it just won't pull back, right? It just won't pull back to be up. It just keeps going up. And then every day in the morning, you just have to get in at the smallest pullback. And it continues sometimes, 3, 4, 5 days. And I just talked about it, and I kind of completely forgot about it already. Yeah, because I don't know, just not thinking properly lately. So yeah, as I should have been ready for the kind of day that I actually talked about yesterday. Or just getting anywhere really, but I decided to miss, so that is completely fine, I guess. I just can't take any risky trades right now. I mean, it's probably not risky, but anyways, it's just my personal stuff, and the market is acting okay, I guess. It did, something just like yesterday. But I just want to say for easier entry for me right now. So rather miss than getting right now. I mean, if I was in, I'd be happy, but whatever, I guess. I guess I deserve this. I deserve what I'm doing to myself. Put myself in this kind of condition and situation, and now I can't even touch this kind of soft market. Kind of hard to miss this, I guess. Same as yesterday. It's kind of hard to miss if you're really trying to get in, right? You might, get stopped out once or twice, but you'll be in, right? You know what I mean? You'll be in. At least this is like the last, you know. After this, here, at this point, it's going, so you can get in there too, even. Just have your stop a little bit far, right? It might pull back to VWAP, but it's gonna go on now, right? So that could have been okay, I guess, but didn't want to risk that for sure. This pullback was easy too, right? These highs I was talking about getting in, but yeah, I decided to miss. So okay, so I guess that's it for today. Might go to bed early or do something else. It's midnight for me. The summertime is over, and now the market starts at 11:30 p.m. for me, so it's kind of hard. Well, this is kind of shitty pullback if you're in. Well, it's not shitty, I guess. It's kind of quick, coming down quick, right? And then goes back up very quickly, right? Just don't want to deal with that. If delta and everything looks good and solid, I might be able to press the button. It's better if he fails. Looking pretty negative right now. Kinda, I have to consider this as a pullback, right? This kind of pressure, it looks like it's gonna fall, right? So it's holding it for now, holding. I don't know, I'd rather miss this too. If if I get in and then if I get stopped out, I'll be very angry right now for this kind of move getting, so I can't handle that. Yeah, I need to go away somewhere, fix my mind. Work on mentality to trade. I have to stop getting angry, really. This looks much better actually right now. Let's try this. But I feel like now that I got in, it's gonna fail. There you go, it's gonna fail. Boom, quick down. There it comes. I feel like I almost know if I get in, it's gonna fail. That's how I feel like these days. It's just not just trading, but everything feels like that. I guess I have to put my stop lower, but I don't know. They're gonna get stopped out anyway, so. It sounds so negative, but I don't know. That's how I've been feeling for some reason. Not just trading, just everything feels like that. Which is not a good attitude. I haven't felt like that for a long time, really, but I feel like I just want to get out. I'm gonna move my stop, but it's gonna get stopped out. Just look at in Q, look like hell. And Q look like it's just gonna go boom down. It's not look like hell. This shape look like hell. Should have been out long time ago. I think I'm out. Yeah, there you go. And then it's gonna go up, right? It's gonna go, but it's okay. I just can't handle this kind of. It's not even worth it. I feel like even if I stayed and went up and made money, it wasn't worth it, for my mentality right now that I had to go through this. It totally wasn't worth it, even if I did make money. So, of course, making money is better than getting stopped out, but that's how beat up I am right now. Like, I just can't handle losses. I have no patience. So yeah, it's pretty bad. Really shouldn't be trading like this. I don't know why it got to this point. I mean, I know why, but I just don't know why I had to get so angry and stress myself out for nothing. Or it's not nothing, I guess. I just have I think I have a time limit deadline that I have to make this work. So that's like the worst thing you can do to yourself if you're a trader. You can't put too much pressure on your trading. But I knew it and I did it to myself, so I thought I could handle it. And I was handling it for a while. But now it's just coming to the end, basically. It's failing. I can't handle the stress. I have to make payments. So if I can't make payments, I have to borrow money, basically. Actually, I did borrow money. So I had to borrow more money. Kind of thing. So basically, that's what's doing. That's what's giving me the stress and all that. But even when I had no stress, I was still getting angry. So that problem has been there for the past few years. I didn't have that anger problem in the first several years of trading. I didn't have that problem. It's only the past few years, after going through like a lot of bad things, a lot of bad events, it really changed my personality. What is this? What is this completely garbage action? Oh my god. Wow. The only time I get in the past 3 days oh, that's not true. Since yeah, the only time I get in since this open of is it Wednesday. This is what I get, right? This is what I get. This harsh pullback. I trusted it because when in long mode, I mean, it still might go, but it's not worth it. It's giving me way too much anxiety. Yeah, I mean, I started doing that, or, started acting weird. I should have gotten out close to break even. I had many chances to, and it goes right. It's like a nightmare. All this nightmare action, and then it goes. Positive, turning red, but it doesn't drop, right? And then positive again, and go. I guess if you enter there, that would have been like a nightmare. Get stopped out basically. What a joke. Alright, it's gonna come down. Wow. That doesn't even pull back, eh? So that's gonna be like, this no pullback, straight up kind of thing. Not straight, but like that. maybe 45 degrees. 45 degrees up. From this, I guess, when this turned positive, you could have tried it, but not after this. It's like, forget it. we just have to jump in here somewhere. Risks a little bit. Pretty bad entry, but if it's just gonna go like that, I don't know, I don't think I can do it. Because if I did, it'll pull back, right? So I just, because I feel like that. And when you start feeling like that, that's exactly it, you know, it'll do, right? See, you make it happen, basically. Oh, so maybe that was good, but no balls. I should be watching that. Alright, so pull back, pull back. I don't like this NQ. How NQ is looking like, you know, it's gonna go lower. But let's ignore that. And I don't know, there's way too. I guess, you know, if I didn't get in there, and if I was patient, that would have looked good. But, you know, it has been doing this quick boom boom, right? So it did that yesterday too, right? Almost to the VWAP, it didn't quite come down, and then boom, I almost caught it, but then I was like, I'm gonna wait for the VWAP, you know, just a couple more ticks, and then it never came down. And today it did, but it did this instead. This is kind of nasty for how early this, I mean, this kind of action is usually later in the day when the volume is like dead, right? So, I don't know, it's kind of nasty. Kind of unusual. And then go back up. Only in this kind of market, I think this can go back up like that. This feels like just no technical analysis at all, just luck. You can do the, this thing. Look at this, all this, but it doesn't really matter, I think, right now. How to get in there, just after like the double top, right? It's so against technical analysis. But, you know, yeah, just have to try, I guess. I just don't have the mental strength right now to try again. Okay, forget it. It's okay. Probably a good time to take a week off. It's a good time to buy it with, I didn't think about it, but because I'm stupid these days. But if I was not crazy, I probably have bought it with my cash account around there, before the election, and then just kept it, a real swing trade, right? Yeah, I mean that's the kind of trade I used to do for this kind of event, but I didn't even actually I forgot I have like a cash account. Almost I forgot about it. It's pretty funny, but it's just sitting there. Would have made way more money than doing Apex, because I started getting crazy with the evals and started getting angry, and then now I'm all stressed out. So if I was just trading money account, everything would have been fine. So I'm actually considering just going back to cash account. And you don't need to use a trade copier, which fails all the time. And no trading drawdown. I look like a short there, but just looks like it. I don't want to do it in this kind of market. Short is scary. That's good. That's some good buying. A little good chunk. Could almost go long here, but that's that's not technical trading. So